loaded Texas cheese fries, and the secret to getting them perfectly crispy every time. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. They look delicious. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making Texas cheese fries. This is one of my repeat appetizers because it starts with my favorite thing of all, French fries. And we load them up with cheese, jalapeños, green onions, and bacon. You can find the full recipe and ingredients at texmexathome.com. All right, let's make it happen. This recipe serves about 4 to 6 people as a snack or appetizer. For today, we will need 1 bag of about 30 ounces of frozen home-cut fries, 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 fresh jalapeños sliced into medium rings, 1 cup of Mexican blend shredded cheese or a cheese of your preference, 1/3 cup of green onions chopped, 4 to 6 slices of bacon cooked crispy and cut into small pieces. Start with your fries. You can bake them in the oven, but today I'm using the air fryer for crispier fries. And here's a pro tip. Give your fries a little drizzle of oil and toss them before air frying. That's what gets them crispy and keeps them from burning. Set your air fryer to 390 degrees and air fry for 7 minutes. After the first 7 minutes, shake them up and move them around. Then air fry them another 7 minutes until they're golden and crisp. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. Now let's keep going. While the fries are cooking, let's prep our toppings and heat up our oven. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While the oven is heating, cook your bacon in a pan until it's crispy, then set it on a paper towel. Chop them into small pieces. Next, chop the green tops off your green onions and set those aside. We'll save them for the very end. Slice your jalapeños into medium rings and set them aside. When the fries are crispy, lay them out on a foil-covered pan, making sure to spread them evenly. Cover the fries with your Mexican cheese blend, then add a layer of jalapeños. Now go in with another layer of cheese and jalapeños on top of that. We bake the jalapeños in so all the flavor soaks right into the potatoes and cheese. Slide the pan into a 350-degree oven and bake for about 5 minutes, just until the cheese is fully melted and bubbly. Pull the fries out of the oven, then scatter your crispy bacon and fresh green onions all over the fries. Bringing them in at the very end keeps them crunchy and gives you that fresh pop in every bite. Serve them hot. And there you have it, Texas cheese fries, hot and loaded and made for sharing. Back in the valley, I would eat these with some ranch or blue cheese. How do you like your loaded fries? Drop it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now it's finally time to try it. Happiness in one bite. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.